Hey guys, welcome back. I got a cool little plugin for you, Composite Blur. Basically the ability to blur or pixelate or add motion or add all sorts of different effects to your video sources, images, shapes, i.e. effects like this, whatever you want. Let's get into it. So you're going to want to head over to obsproject.com. You're going to want to find Composite Blur. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You're going to want to download the appropriate version that you need, whether it be Linux, Mac, or Windows, and get that installed. Once it's installed, we're going to launch OBS and take a look at it. But I'm going to give you a little brief overview of what Composite Blur actually does. Basically, it's a cool little filter that goes on top of your video. Basically, it applies just like a filter effect. It's got multiple different blur algorithms such as Gaussian, box, dual Kawasi, pixelation, blur effects such as directional, motional, zoom, tilt shift, which is really cool to focus on a specific part of the frame. Really cool effect. You can even apply this to things like masks and shapes and images and all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So once you got the plugin installed, you're going to want to open OBS, pick a scene with some sources on. In this case, I'm going to select my bubble head, and I want to apply a pixelation effect to this bubble head, like a sensor. Maybe maybe you want to block out someone from your podcast or something like that. Okay, so we're going to right click on the source. We're going to add a filter just like we would anything else, color correction, sharpening, etc. Go add, go to Composite Blur that we've just installed. Name it whatever you like, that's fine. Pick an effect. So I'm going to choose a pixelation effect. I'm going to play with the settings a little bit, get it looking kind of cool, exactly like that. I think that's a really, really nice effect. And then, of course, you can have a little play around with this yourself. Lots of cool, fun stuff in here. Gives you quite a lot of inspiration, actually, when you're playing with it. It gives you some ideas of what you can do for like the videos and the different scenes that you have in OBS. And that's sort of it, basically. It's a really, really cool plugin. It doesn't come with OBS by default, so you've got to install it. Have fun, and I will see you on another one. Ciao.